I hope you guys are all having an efficient day. EasyAutoFix here, and today we're going to learn the symptoms of a bad blend door actuator. The purpose of the blend door actuator is to open the blend door based on the position of the temperature control knob. In simple terms, the blend door is what allows hot or cold air to come through the interior of the car. Older vehicles don't have an actuator. Instead, they use a cable that's connected from the control knob to the blend door. The location of the blend door actuator will typically be on either one of these locations. If you have a dual zone climate control, you'll have one on each side. If you have a larger vehicle like an SUV or a minivan that has rear heating and cooling, I've seen it behind this panel. If you're having trouble finding it, I'll leave an excellent repair manual in the description below. The first symptom you might be experiencing is hearing a tapping noise either when starting the car or when moving the temperature control. The noise could be heard behind the dashboard, or if you have a rear climate control, it can be heard towards the back of the car. This could be caused by broken gear teeth inside the actuator. The second symptom of a bad blend door actuator is the temperature stuck on hot. You'll be trying to switch from hot to cold, but notice there's no difference in temperature. This could be caused by internal damage that prevents the gears from rotating. In other situations, it could be caused by a failed motor. Both will prevent the blend door from moving, resulting in the temperature remaining on hot. On the flip side, the third symptom could be the temperature stuck on cold. Similarly to the previous symptom, this could be caused by internal damage of a blend door actuator or a failed motor. It all depends on when the actuator failed. Now, if you have a dual zone climate control, it's likely that only the passenger or the driver's side is experiencing the symptoms because each side has its own blend door actuator. If you have rear climate control, you may also notice these symptoms on the back end of the vehicle due to an extra actuator. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.